This is the village that I'm talking about. Oh, I look very tired. Oh my god. Yeah. I can't walk. Hi guys. My name is Joseph and welcome to Ghana Daily Street Tour. Don't forget to subscribe, give a comment, and also follow me on all the social media platforms at Ghana Daily Street Tour. Today I'm taking you to a village in Kumasi. Yes, we are walking for about an hour journey to the village in Kumasi. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is the only channel you will get a lot about Ghana, a lot about Africa. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also like this video. And also follow me on all social media platforms. Let's tour around Ghana together. Thank you. So guys, I have been walking about almost an hour. We are still heading towards the village to see what's there, what's happening there. Yeah, as you can see, they have grown maize here. Yeah, there are a lot on my way. All I want you to do is subscribe to this channel and also comment, what do you really want to see in Ghana? What do you want to know about Ghana? So in today's episode, I'm taking you to one of the village in Kumasi, Ghana, as I said earlier on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So guys, I'm almost there. Yeah, it's ahead. The village is ahead of me. I can hear people talking, and all I want you to do is subscribe to my channel. Let's talk together. Yeah, I can hear people talking. So subscribe. Let's move on. I'm very tired. I've been working for about 1.5 hours. I'm very tired. Wow. So the village is ahead of me. I went fully prepared. I have everything here. Yeah. All I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. So I'm almost at the village. Let's see how people are doing there. I learned there is no light. There are no lights. No form of electricity. No solar energy. So let's go there and find out how the people live. How do people survive there? So subscribe now and enjoy more here. So guys, I'm entering the village there. All I want you to do is subscribe. Let's move on. This is the village I am talking about. Oh, I look very tired. Oh my god. Good morning. What's morning? Me for how? My shop booty. That's it. Yeah, this is the village that I'm talking about. Oh, I think they have calabash too here. They have calabash too here. This is the village that I'm talking about. This is the calabash that I'm talking about. They have calabash, locally called kwantua. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. So I'm meeting people on the way. As I asked how the way they should show me, she said I should pass here. I don't know, they will, I think, over here. They show me there's a lot of mud on the way, so I wore these boots. Whoa. I have my boots. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow. No vehicle can pass here. Wow. As she said, there is no vehicle, no motorbike, no bicycle can pass. Slow. Whoa. So let's go. They used to grow rice here. Yeah. So this is the bridge that I'm using. They also have cocoa farm here. Yeah. Wow. I asked them, how do children walk to school using this muddy road? I asked them, how do they walk to school using this muddy road? They say they walk on with barefoot. So this is the first village that I have come across. Let's move on and to the second village. So we are moving on to the second village. There are a lot of villages here. As you can see, they've grown rice over there, over here. All I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. You will learn a lot about Ghana. I'll let you know a lot about Ghana, a lot about Africa, a lot about Kumasi specifically. So we are heading towards the next village. Let's go. We are heading towards the next village. And I also learned there are a lot of snakes and wild animals. So I had my cutlass with me for protection. Yeah, for any protection. So let's go. I look very tired. When you're walking for about 2 hours, still haven't got into the village. Oh. Wow. Good. Look at this. There is also cocoa plantation. Yes, here too. Yeah, this is the road. As you, yeah. So as you can see, they have grew rice here covered with nets so that birds will not eat the rice. I just met someone and she asked me, am I not afraid of walking, me alone walking on this route, or walking on this bushy road? I'm very tired. I'm very, very tired. Island, there is someone who sleeps over there. Somebody sleep over there. Yeah, I think this is his farm. How many of you can sleep alone in the bush for your entire life? Whew. This is an avocado tree. Ghana is very rich. Ghana is very, very rich. And also papaya, pawpaw tree. So guys, I'm almost at the village. This is the second village I'm heading towards. Let's find out if people are there. Let's find out if somebody is there. I think nobody lives here. I can't find anybody here. This is the village mud house that I'm talking about. The second one to come across. There are a lot of villages around. Let's move on again. Since there's no one here, let's move forward to find a village that will welcome me. I have some gifts